We live in a world in which social media plays an important role in our lives. Every day we spend quite a bit of time in social media by sharing our posts, by sharing our images and videos and other things. Apart from that, we are also interested to know what's happening with the others' lives and the activities that are happening around the world. Now, one of the ways Facebook can be put to good use, put to productive use, is by being part of some of the groups which are available on Facebook, which are related to our field of work. And in this video, I'm going to share a very quick overview of how you can make it happen. Some of you might already be aware of this, but yes, here is an attempt to make you realize the power of Facebook as a tool which can help you grow in your career, grow in your work. Coming up. What is going on? My name is Ramesh. Welcome to another video on Mudgal's Musings, a channel dedicated to increasing your productivity. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing because I keep posting one interesting video every single week. And don't forget to hit that bell button so that you don't miss out anything exciting on this channel and you get notified every time I upload a new video. As regular users of Facebook, most of you would be already knowing the fact that you can be part of many groups on Facebook, especially related to your area of interest, your area of work. All that you need to do, if you are not, and if you want to if you want to explore more, and if you want to understand more about this, then here is what you can do. Just log on to your Facebook account, and then you can look for searching, and then type the word or type the kind of work field that you are looking for. So let's say you are a science teacher, so you simply click science teachers, and you might be throwing Facebook will throw obviously certain groups and certain individual pages also being maintained by individuals. So here you can see UK science teachers resources, science teachers, middle school science teachers, so on and so forth. You will have plenty of pages being thrown to you, options being thrown to you, and most of these are groups, which means you can click on them, and probably you can click on join. Usually it is a private group, and then once you click on your join group, okay, the request is sent to the group admin, and the group admin sometimes may ask some questions to you which you need to be answering. If not, certain groups directly accept your invitation without asking any kind of questions. And once you're accepted into the group, you will be able to have access to everything that is going on that particular page. There are members who will keep posting several interesting things over there. There are people who may be asking questions that they are finding difficult to find a solution to, and they may be simply looking forward to some suggestions from practicing teachers. So as you become members of this, so in your Facebook the stream on your homepage, every time there is an activity, depending on the settings that you have set up for that particular website or that particular web page or Facebook page, you will start getting those things in your stream. And at your fingertips you have the information that you look forward, and whenever you have any question that you are grappling with, that you want some suggestions, you can always post on those pages, and somebody or the other would be willing to respond, would be willing to provide some kind of a solution that has worked for them. This website weareteachers.com actually lists out 40 teacher Facebook pages you should follow today. So you have plenty of pages of which are either by various websites or by individual people or by companies, which can actually lead you to lots of interesting facts related to teachers. So you may get fantastic ideas to make your lessons engaging, make your assessments more authentic, and you will get to learn something from each of these Facebook pages in one way or the other. The COVID pandemic has led to a situation where most of the teachers all over the world are resorting to online teaching in one way or the other, in one form or the other. Now, there are several Facebook pages that will provide you with lots of solutions, but one page which I keep following and I would also recommend you to follow is Teach with Tech. So here you can post your question, any technology related question that you may be having, and the members of this group are going to respond to it. You will find some solution for the problem that you are facing, and some of the best practices which the others have implemented, they keep sharing those things too which can come in very handy in making your lessons engaging, interesting, and your productivity will definitely improve and enhance. That's all on Mudgal's Musings this week. Thanks for watching this video. Like it if you like it, and do share the video among your friends and acquaintances just in case they might also be interested in watching videos like this. Question of the day: how do you plan to make use of Facebook to increase and enhance your productivity? Do mention in the comment section below. Till I see you next time, have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye.